friends, Rachel and I are off to Fantastic Furniture to go look at some couches. We don't really know what we want yet, but we're just gonna go in and have a look and see what they have. When we were at the house last night, we measured the corner where we want our couch to sit. So bringing our measuring tapes, we're going. I'm really excited.
I'm really excited too. I hope it's comfy too.
This is kind of the color that we're looking at. We don't want like a beige, but we don't want a gray. We just kind of want like a beigey gray. I like the like wood little feet.
Yeah, I like that too.
We also found this one that we like the size and the shape of. It's definitely not as homely as the other ones we like. And obviously we'd get it in a different color, but this is one of our options as well. Or this one. Just chilling. Straight up chilling.
Oh my gosh! That makes me so excited to see the shorts.
So, we just did all the boring stuff of doing the entry report. Love renting. But now we have a roll of masking tape and a tape measure, and we're gonna measure the floor and tape out where we want the couch to go. So I'm really struggling to speak right now. We measured all of the couches that we saw at Fantastic Furniture this morning. Now we're gonna tape them out
that we like
and see which ones fit the best and what we want to compromise on, whether we want to compromise on size or comfort or anything like that. Yeah, that's the plan. So 2.3 by 2.1. It looks so small. I reckon this is totally doable.
Yeah, no, I thought it would come out way more.
Rachel and I have been sitting on our lounge room floor trying to decide between these two couches. We like different things about different ones, but we've decided to go with this one. So exciting. It is currently the 30th of August and I've spent pretty much most of the day packing up my room, and I'm gonna do my first load to the house. My room looks so odd and so empty, and it also is so dusty and I have not enjoyed it, but I just took all of my Polaroids off my wall. I cleaned out most of my bathroom drawers and stuff, and this is what my room is looking like. So this is all the stuff I'm gonna take over for now. I think I'm also, if I have room, gonna try to take some clothes over. I'm taking all of my shoes over and bags and stuff. This is just crazy. It's kind of feeling real now. I made it to the house and I brought Hector along with me. I'm in my bedroom. That's so freaking cool, man. This is my first load that I'm bringing over to the house. I'm so excited. It's just a bunch of clothes and books, little knick-knacky things that like is gonna be a waste of time to put in the boot truck. So I'm gonna fill up this tiny little wardrobe. This is so exciting. Welcome to your new home, Hector. Oh my goodness. And I just absolutely filled this wardrobe. My plan for when we actually move in next Saturday, at my parents' house I actually had this exact same wardrobe, so I'm gonna bring it over and pop it right next to this one. So it looks like just one big wardrobe, and the paneling it actually fits perfectly with, which I love. So I'm gonna have more room than this. Like right now my wardrobe doors don't even shut because there's so much in there. And I also have these shelves here that I'm gonna put those baskets in. So I'm not too worried about storage at the moment. But yeah, that's all I have done so far. But that is all for now. I'll check in with you next time I'm doing anything house related. Good morning, friends. It is currently just past 6 AM. I've been up for about an hour. It took me so long to get to sleep. I think I went to sleep at like 11:30, and then my body woke me up at 5 because I'm just so stressed about all the things that I have to get done today. So just a quick rundown of the day. Today is my last full day in the squad house. Tonight is my last night in the squad house, which is crazy. Basically, all I have to do today is pack up my entire house. I'm planning to have every single thing packed that I possibly can, so that tomorrow on moving day, it's just a matter of moving the boxes and the furniture. It is now 8:30 and the garage is clear. My car, you're sitting on my car right now, and I'm just going to use the garage as my dumping ground for today. I just brought in all of my boxes and I have my dad's tape gun, so I'm going to tape up all of my boxes, and then I can take my boxes to each room in the house and fill them up and then bring them back into the garage, just so they're all organized, they're all in the same place, and when we get the moving truck tomorrow we can just park it in the driveway and take them straight from the garage to the truck. I just feel like the more I do today, the less we have to do tomorrow, and that's what I prefer. So let's make some boxes. It is quite a lot later on in the day. Rachel and I ended up just taking a break, having a chill lunch break. It is now 2:30 and my car is full and Rachel's car is entirely full, and we're just gonna do a quick load to the house just because we can and we have time, and we're gonna hopefully unpack some of the boxes that we have and then reuse the boxes. So that's the afternoon plan. We also have some stuff that we want to donate as well. We're getting so there. Hot. It is so hot. It is now summer. Yeah. Welcome. Time to get unloading once again. Currently at the new house and we just finished unpacking most of our kitchen boxes. It honestly went quicker than I thought it was going to. We didn't organize anything. We just kind of just put everything where we think we're going to keep them, and then later on, once we actually start living here, we can actually like fine tune the organization. Kitchen is kind of Rachel's domain, so I'm just over here trying to help in the corner. Yeah, literally I'm just the husband being like, yeah, we need to empty the shed, put everything in the laundry. So yeah, I am feeling exhausted, but I think we are gonna go back home. I'm exhausted. I'm not making any sense. I'll update you later. What's up? It is now 9:15 p.m. Rachel and I are currently at the new house. I went to my grandma's house for a little bit and chilled out with her. And Rachel's been here unpacking her room a little bit. She's been unpacking her ginormous wardrobe. Woo! If anyone deserves a big wardrobe, it's you.
Whoa, that's nice thing about sending.
This is what's happening at the moment. Literally so many clothes. It's so great, and there is more to come, but it's super late and I am so exhausted. I don't know why. I think it's because
party.
No!
Yeah. I work at 6 a.m.
We go home in 5. I feel like I didn't physically do that much today to make me this tired, but I feel like my mind and my heart, which is going like 100 miles an hour. My heart hurts. I'm just stressed, mainly about tomorrow, but like I'm sure it will be fine. But we're gonna go home, we're gonna deassemble Rachel's bed, rinse off my tan that was meant to be rinsed off 15 minutes ago, and then we go to bed. Good plan. So this is the current state of my room, and I'm about to collapse in that bed. Tonight is the last night in the squad house, which is so crazy. An even bigger adventure is happening tomorrow, so I'm gonna try and get a good night's rest. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in my next movie vlog in the very near future. Bye.